Alright boys, so we were talking earlier. What we're gonna do is, we were talking about it and the only person that wasn't there when we were talking about it was Steve. So we're gonna prank Steve in the fucking middle of the Amazon. But what we're thinking is tomorrow when we hike, we'll be hiking through the forest and shit, and then these guys come out of nowhere with their bow and arrows like we ran into a random ass tribe. Maybe they're gonna kidnap Salim and then they're gonna really fuck with Steve and scare the shit out of him.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab some Ronas for the boys. You want one, Steve?
Say no more roulette.
Steve! No more roulette! Rona only! Steve, stop hanging out with those roulette guys! Losing money!
We're getting royally fucked up in the jungle today.
Merry Christmas!
Cheers boys, we're in the Amazon. It's a fucking crazy ass trip. Let's be safe, let's have fun, get a good video. I love all the boys. We're gonna kill it this year, man. Takeover continues, let's go. Ah!
Where we going now, we go much deeper in the jungle, okay?
So what's the
And
difference
down.
between this tribe and the other tribe? So they're gonna do like the dance and stuff again?
Probably not. They're not so friendly. No jokes with them, okay?
No?
They can kill you. And here's their law, not our law.
Well, we wanted to see a real tribe, right?
It's for real.
And they have no idea we're coming.
They know you though.
No, not very well.
But we'll be good.
Not very well.
Yeah.
Here's just the beginning, but inside there is a great chance to spot snake. Everywhere, look on the path, okay? Because here we have a bushmaster, one of the most poisonous snake in the world. We also have a further lens. You have just 1 hour to reach the hospital.
Where's the closest hospital?
In Manaus.
So that's an hour away?
Hours away.
So you're dead, basically.
Yeah.
We're done. Just say we're done.
You might as well hit your last jerk and that's it.
Oh guys, don't let bottles in here, okay? Let's
Yeah,
try
what the
to
fuck?
not...
Salim.
Oh
my
fuck,
bad.
litter in
Sorry.
the Amazon. I'm sorry. Is there garbage around here?
Alright, this is good. It's my fucking snake weapon, bro. We have 2 snake sticks, a knife and a gun, and 2 black guys. So it's good.
That nigga's supposed to sit down on his couch, drink some Kool-Aid, eat some chicken.
Collect stimulus checks.
Yeah. Nigga's supposed to flip dope, smoke some weed, fuck his black bitch.
Not be in the fucking jungle in the Amazon.
This is what a nigga not supposed to do.
Magno,
Sorry?
my sack feels like a fucking water slide right now.
1.5 hour now.
1.5 hours?
We did.
Gambles, I agree with you, but shut up. Okay, well this sounds like a good time for a brewski.
Alright, let's go for George.
Go ahead, Steve.
Let's go, Steve. Oh! Jesus fuck.
What was that? Hey, shut up, man.
He said shut up.
Yeah.
That's so rude.
Yo, what the fuck is that?
Don't fucking run!
Are these the guys that you're talking about?
What the fuck are they doing? Tem que ir pra Polícia Federal pra poder.
No,
Fuck that.
I don't think so.
Why does he have a snake, bro?
Don't.
They're not kidding. This is serious.
Don't point it at them.
Yes.
Oh, we gotta be low.
Put the cameras away, man.
Falar lá com o pajé, alguma coisa assim.
What these guys?
Fucking phone arrow.
O que você tá fazendo? Bota o telefone.
E agora vamos fazer. Ele não gosta, não pode entrar sem. We cannot come in.
Yes, because
Yeah, I'm sorry about that because we know we cannot come in this area. I don't know. I'm sorry, you know.
but we did talk to the other ones before.
Yeah, but they say he have to stay here. Why? And,
So why?
What are you talking
and
about?
with them because
No.
What, like stay in the village?
he take him or somebody here.
Does he like know people in here or no?
He knows, but he doesn't know these guys because we went to the other one to ask them, and they say that it's okay for us to come here. Now I don't know.
Can you understand them?
Yeah, just one of them I can beat.
Dude, come on, dude.
Because one of them speaks.
Ei, solta ele, velho.
What'd he say?
Mas vai pegar outro.
It's fucking annoying, dude.
He says he's gonna take another one of us, I don't know.
One of us, but who?
Vai pegar quem, cara? Ó, ele lá, ó. É? É, ó. Vai lá.
I can't.
No, you can, man. We have to calm down. No, we calm down.
I'm not going.
Yeah, but
No, I'm not going.
down, man.
I won't talk.
How do we
No, they can't, bro. They can't.
I'm not going.
He's gone.
I'm not going. I promise. I'm gonna have an anxiety attack. I'm gonna die. I'm not gonna go.
Dude, he's giving him the bow. He's giving him the bow.
Yo, him? Yo, you gotta watch the fuck out, bro. This is not so. Dude, this is fucking annoying, bro.
What the fuck?
You gotta watch the fuck out. Why are you surrounding us?
You guys,
Hey, watch out! Don't do that! Don't do that!
just motherfucker run.
Run!
Are they shooting bows? Yeah, they're shooting bow arrows. Go!
Bro, he's actually freaking out.
I know. I feel bad, bro.
Dude, they know the jungle better than us. There's no way we're gonna fucking run.
Where do we go? I'm about to die.
Run, Steve!
I'm about to die.
Go.
Oh my god.
Okay, wait.
Vamos querer pegar a câmera de todo mundo, cara.
They want the cameras and phones.
E não, nada de filmagem, alguém vai ter que ficar aqui e não vai sair daqui não, enquanto não vir a Polícia Federal.
They say that because
They
we
say-
didn't, we are not authorized to
Not
come.
authorized to come.
So we need to leave
Somebody
someone
else
here.
have to stay here.
Fuck that, I'm not
The
staying here.
meanwhile,
Just calm down.
ele quer?
Oh, why, dude?
I can't. I'm having a heart attack. I can't. I'm having a heart attack.
Steve, let's go here.
I knew that 10 minutes ago. No, I knew that 10 minutes ago.
Yo, I felt bad at first.
Dude, you were like, I have an anxiety attack.
Steve's the only one that hasn't been got in the crew.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like,
He was playing it up well.
Yeah, that's why I was like, stop fucking with me. 'Cause I know you guys always fuck with me. That shit was good.
Yeah, when he.
I looked at you like I'm having a heart attack. I was like, yo,
I
fuck, we
played
gotta
that
call
shit
this.
good. I played that on that motherfucker.
Drink, motherfucker, drink, motherfucker, drink.